Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
It is said that the soul is invisible, inconceivable, immutable, and unchangeable. Knowing this, you should not grieve for the body.
Abhaktoyam achintoyam abhikarjayam chati tasma evam viditya enam na nusuchitam arasi. So, Krishna began this teaching to Arjuna. First of all, Suchyan Nannusuchastam Sugyavadang Subhat. You are talking like learned scholar, but you are lamenting on the body which is not at all important. Nanusuchanti. Here also the same thing. Tasmadevam viditta enam, this body, na anusuchitam manasi. Do not be very much serious about this body. The soul is the subject matter to be considered, but the modern civilization, they are concerned with this body. Just the opposite. Krishna says, because the soul is immortal, therefore, tasma evam viditta, understanding on this principle, enam, this body, na anusuchitum marasi. The real factor is the soul. We have to take care of the soul, not of the body. So far body is concerned, there are pains and pleasure like climatic changes, agamapaina anitya. Such bodily pains and pleasure come and go. They are not permanent. Tangtidikkha. So, you have to learn how to tolerate these bodily pains and pleasure, but you have to take care of the soul. But the modern civilization, they have no knowledge of the soul, what to speak of taking care of it, and like animals, they are in the bodily concept of life, taking much care of the body, but they have no information of the soul and what to speak of taking care of. This is the lamentable condition of modern civilization. Animal civilization. The animals simply take care of the body, has no information of the soul. So this civilization is animal civilization. Mudha. Mudha means animal, asses. Now if we say to the people in general, they will be angry upon us. But actually, this is the position. Jasyātu buddhi kunapeti dhātuke. Several times explained this verse. Jasya atma buddhi. Atma means self. Buddhi has taken this body as self. Jasyātu buddhi. But what is this body? This body is nothing but a bag of tridhātu, kapha, pitta, vāyu. and its byproduct. By mucus, bile and air, by interaction of these three things, just like this material world, this house, what is this house? Tejo Varimit Vinimayam. Anything in this material world, what is that? Tejo Varimit Vinimayam. An exchange of fire, water and earth. Tejo Varimit Vinimayam. Exchange. You take earth, you take water, mix them and put it into the fire, it becomes brick, then powder it, it becomes cement, then again combine them, it becomes a big skyscraper building. So as this material world, anything you take, it is simply a combination of these three ingredients, plus air and sky. For drying, air is required for drying. The combination of the 5 elements. Similarly, this body is also combination of 5 elements. There is no difference. But because in the big skyscraper building there is no soul, it stands in one place. But the body has got the soul, therefore it moves. That is the difference. The soul is important. But they do not know. Just like we have manufactured the airplane and there is no soul. But another soul means the pilot. He takes care of it, he drives, therefore it is moving. So without soul, there cannot be any movement. Either the thing must have soul or some other soul will take care of it, then it will move. Therefore, the important is the soul, not this material body.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.